Okay, so let's do this problem. This is problem from 6.4. Um, find the area of the surface generated by revolving the curve x equal e to the power y plus e to the power negative y divided by 2 in the interval where the range of y is from 0 to ln 3 about the y-axis. So this is the curve. As you can see, when you revolve about the y-axis, this is the surface generated by this revolve. As you can see in the picture, we would like to find out the area of this surface. So this is the formula for the surface area for the revolution about the y-axis, which is the integration 2 pi x square root 1 plus dx over dy whole square dy. So this is what we would like to use for finding the surface area. So in our case, x is e to the power y plus e to the power negative y divided by 2. We have to find the derivative of x with respect to y. So when you find the derivative of e to the power y, this is same thing, e to the power y. But the derivative of e to the power negative y gives you the negative sign. So this is the derivative. I'm plugging the value of x and dx over dy here in this formula. So it would be 2 pi coming from here, x is this, and square root of 1 plus this is dx over dy. Before finding the integration, we need to simplify this. So let's try to simplify this expression inside the radical sign, which is 1 plus e to the power y minus e to the power negative y over 2 whole square. So when you square this expression, it will give you e to the power 2y minus 2 times e to the power y times e to the power negative y plus square of the second expression, which is e to the power negative 2y. Square of the 2 is 4. So when you simplify this 2, it will give you negative 2 only. And when you divide 4 by whole expression, it would be e to the power 2y over 4 minus this will be 1, and 2 over 4 is negative 1 half plus e to the power negative 2y over 4. 1 minus negative 1 half is positive 1 half. When you try to combine this expression, this is actually the square of e to the power y plus e to the power negative y over 2. So now we have this expression as a square of something. That's the whole point. If you have a square of something, when you plug that value back in the radical sign, that radical sign and this square will be cancelled out. So I'm going to plug that value back here. Remember, when you simplify this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out. So the leftover would be pi, this expression, square root of this expression. So that means we have pi, integration from 0 to ln 3, this expression, square root of something is just that thing. Now if you just bring this to outside, it would be pi over 2. And since you have e to the power y plus e to the power negative y, e to the power y plus e to the power negative y, you can multiply them, which will give you e to the power 2y plus 2 plus e to the power negative 2y. Now by finding the integration of e to the power 2y is e to the power 2y over 2. Integration of 2 is 2y. Integration of e to the power negative 2y is e to the power negative 2y divided by negative 2. That makes this symbol negative. So the limit of integration 0 to ln 3. Now by using the fundamental theorem, we first replace this y by ln 3, and then after that we replace this y by 0. So when you try to simplify this e to the power 2 times ln 3, look at here, it will give you 9. E to the power negative 2 times ln 3 gives you 1 over 9. By using the power rule, this negative 2 goes to 3 to the power negative 2, which is eventually 1 over 9. E to the power ln, they will be cancelled out. So this gives us 9 over 2. This gives us 2 times ln 3. And this gives us minus 1 over 9 coming from here. And then 2 is already there, so 1 over 9 times 2. Minus, now you have to put y equals 0. E to the power 0 is 1, so it will be 1 half. 2 times 0 is 0. minus e to the power 0 is 1. It's also 1 half. So 1 half minus 1 half will be cancelled out. So this is the expression we're going to get. And now we need to simplify this. As you can see that we need the common denominator. So I'm just making all these denominator 18 by multiplying the first expression by 9 on the top and 9 on the bottom. That gives me 81 over 18 plus 36 over 18 ln 3 minus 1 over 18. I can now combine 81 minus 1, which is 80 divided by 18 plus 36 divided by 18 ln 3. I can just what is that? I can just factor out this 18 outside, which gives me pi over 36. 2 times 18 is 36, and the leftover would be 80 plus 36 times ln 3. So this is my answer. But if you would like to bring this 36 inside, then after cancellation it would be 20 over 9 and ln 3. 20 over 9 plus ln 3. So that's our final answer. You can leave like this as well, or like this.